Hello there, and welcome to Joystick Junction. My name is Senorita Cleaning Lady. Not really, but that's what I get called at least. Well, not always. Sometimes they call me Darkness or some shit like that, but you know. But, anyways, basically, what I would like to talk about today is what this channel is and what it's gonna be about. So, this channel is gonna be a little project between me and my friends, like a little passion project where we're gonna make some small videos, like maybe a bit of gaming or us just sitting in a VC and having fun, like small videos, just us goofing around. Nothing serious, just having fun. So, what else? That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. We will have some videos up, maybe not this week, but soon. So if you're interested, stay tuned, and I'll see you later. Peace out. Fuck this. That was bad.